What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all. Now, this shoe I got in today, it's a pair that I know some people was kind of like looking forward to. Some of y'all might have, been on the fence about it. Me personally, after getting them in hand, I'm kind of like, they cool, but it ain't nothing I just had to have, especially since I got the pair that came out, I think it was like 2016, the leather pair of them. But some of y'all might like satin shoes, some of y'all might like the materials, the details, of course it is women's exclusive shoes, so it might be geared more towards like, the woman sneakerheads out there as opposed to like, the men out there that's into shoes. But overall, the shoe ain't terrible, but it's just not like something that I'm, too crazy about. But I'm excited to the review for y'all, man, so y'all can see what, what these shoes is, how they looking, how they fit. Well, not how they fit, because I really don't think I want to, keep these in my collection, but who knows, as time goes on, I might feel different about it. I might start liking them more, but as of right now, I'm not a fan of these. They cool, but they ain't nothing I just had to have. But I've jumped, You see the typical all red Nike box, that Jordan 1 box that most women Jordans have, that all red with the black Nike upper on it. Y'all see that Nike on the side, Nike right here as well. Now I did hit on these on the exclusive access on sneakers a couple days ago, so they ship pretty fast too as well. So kudos to Nike for that fast shipping. They be getting faster and faster with their shipping. Well, I really do appreciate that, man. Nike been coming through with their shipping, and I haven't been hearing too many horror stories about shoes getting stolen or packages become missing and lost and all this. So kudos again to Nike and also the delivery drivers, UPS, FedEx, all that good stuff, man. But let's get into the review, man. So the size tag does read Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The colorway is black, University red, white. It is a USA size 12, which is a woman's 12, which is equivalent to a men's 10.5. So let me get y'all a better look at that size tag right there. Y'all see that little box label. But let's get into this box, man. Now, I've jumped, nothing under the lid, nothing too crazy, I don't think it's got the little size, the code, no, there's no stamp on the lid, but you do got a couple accessories with these though. I'm cool with that, like a little bag, a little tote bag, for y'all out there who want to carry them around. You might want to put your shoes in the bag or something like that, or use it for something else or whatever you want to use this for. Me personally, I don't know, this look kind of, a little feminine to me, but for those, like I said, the woman sneakerheads out there, y'all got y'all some little accessories, even the men who want to use this, I don't judge, I don't say who can and can't wear what, but even, if y'all dudes want to, rock this little junk, whatever y'all want to do with it, it comes with a little bag inside the shoebox. So that's a nice little dope touch, something that they didn't have to add, but they did add to the box. No special paper, just your plain, regular white paper, nothing too crazy with it. But you do got the sneakers. So like I said, they not a terrible looking shoe. They feel good, The satin material is real nice on them. Nothing out of the ordinary with the shoe as far as like, different, nothing crazy. It's just a Bred Jordan 1 with satin material, not leather, no leather nowhere around. Things just this little rubber midsole, of course, but no leather on the actual, upper of the shoe itself. You got this all over satin material right there, nice little shiny satin material over the whole shoe. Toe box as well, Only thing that's not satin, of course, is the midsole and the outsole. So you don't get no kind of satin materials on those, but I think it would be kind of weird to have a full-blown satin shoe. That would look a little crazy. But overall, colorway, of course, it's a Bred colorway. Just one of my favorite colorways of Jordan 1. So it's still a good colorway, still a dope colorway, just not my favorite as far as material go, So the laces as well, you got these black laces that come with like these silver aglets on them, If y'all see that right there, the little silver. So something different as opposed to your, regular Jordan 1s that come with just the little plastic tips and all that. So that's cool. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I don't remember what year the first satin ones came out, but the ones that's going for like thousands of dollars, that had like a quilted insole and they were also numbered. These don't have, no numbering on the inside of them, nothing to show that like it's limited. These weren't limited at all as far as I know. These was pretty mass produced. So, but even for a mass produced shoe, nothing out of the ordinary, no stain, at least on this shoe, no stains, no loose stitching nowhere. To me, it's QC is good on them. It's just me personally, this toe box just looks kind of thick. I guess because of the satin material, so it has like a thicker looking toe box as opposed to like, other Jordan 1s. But let me get the other shoe out the box for y'all. I don't know if it came with extra laces or not. I didn't check to see if there was, did come with some red laces, as they always do in the little box. So see if they get anything special. Yeah, still like the little silver tip on the laces as well. So y'all see that, and they got the, if I'm not mistaken, It's a Jumpman on it. I don't know if y'all can even see that Jumpman, but there is a Jumpman on the lace tip as well. So that's, you know what I'm saying, that's a nice little dope touch for y'all who want to switch laces up, put the little red joints in. Me personally, if I did keep these, I would definitely keep the black laces in. Don't want to do nothing different with that. I don't see myself putting red in. I don't really care for all red laces and red shoes, you know what I'm saying? I really like to put black or maybe even like a cream color lace or something like that in the shoe, but black is, to me, is good enough. It's gonna get the job done. But overall, like I said, the shoe is not bad. You know what I'm saying? I know people will be a fan of these. I just don't really care for the satin material. Like, I think the royal satins, if they came out with those, I'd probably be a bigger fan of those. You know what I'm saying? I like that royal colorway, and I think that satin on the royal would look way better. It would look more luxurious than the satin on this red. Like, the red, don't get me wrong, they still look good. You know what I'm saying? I'm just not a fan of them. I don't really care for them. You know, they're not bad. That's just something I don't need in my collection. Since I already have, you know what I'm saying, the 2016 bred ones. So, you know, I got these already. So it's like, do I really need, you know what I'm saying, satin bred ones? You know, if I got the 2016 pair, but you know, y'all might like the satins over the 2016s, or it might be, you know, like me, y'all might be vice versa, like the 2016 pair over the, you know, 2023 satin pair. But whatever the case may be, both of them are still great shoes. These are still an amazing looking shoe. You know what I'm saying? The shape is cool. It's just that toe box look a little wonky to me. I'm not a fan of that toe box, but overall, you know, the shoe, once again, it's a good looking shoe, beautiful shoe. You can put it on with whatever. Rock them with whatever you want to rock them with. It's not really too hard to put a fit on with some black, white, and red shoes. You know, base color black, so easy to put something on with these. Nothing is gonna be like, oh, what I gotta do. But overall, like I said, man, material is dope, man. Colorway is amazing. You know what I'm saying? It's just, I don't really care for the satin on the shoe. Like, it's not a bad material, it's just I don't care for it. You know, some people might like it. Like I said, a lot of y'all might like it, you know, but me personally, it's just, it is what it is. Now, even the Wings logo, it's like, it feels more stiff on this pair. You know, of course, it's stitched in. On most Wings logos on Jordans, it's like a leather, you know, Wings logo, but this pair has like that, like stiff, thicker Wings logo on the side of the shoe as well. And then, of course, the lace holes are a lot different, I guess, because you got to put those silver metal aglets in through the lace holes, so they're a little bit more bigger, more thicker, you know, more round. So as opposed to like a regular Jordan 1 that's had like those smaller lace holes, but this is a satin shoe, different material, so of course it's gonna have different, you know, details with it. But I'm pretty sure the other pair of satin ones that came out way back when for these same colorway, they had like gold lace tips. They had like different kind of like, but they were more upper, you know what I'm saying? They look more luxurious, as you know, as I said with the royal pair. How that would look more luxurious than the bred pair. Now I know a lot of y'all probably gonna sleep on these. You know, I don't see resale do nothing too crazy for these. So if you do want these, if you don't hit on sneakers, they officially drop, I think, I don't know what, I think it's the 18th. October 18th is when they officially drop on sneakers. So if y'all do go for these on sneakers, I'm sure it wouldn't be too hard to cop these. But if y'all miss out on them, I know resale won't be no crazy prices. So y'all should be able to cop these for easy, you know, it should be an easy cop as far as resale goes, and as far as like, you know, retail as well, as far as that goes. You know, your local shoe stores should have them, like Shoe Palace, Foot Locker, Champs, you know, what other shoe stores I got, pretty much whatever shoe store. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a widespread mass-produced shoe. So y'all been to look out for these October 18th. If y'all do want them, you know what I'm saying? If y'all don't, hey, plenty more shoes coming out. You know, the year is almost over, but me personally, my favorite shoe was gonna come out soon. I missed out on the shock drop they had because I wasn't paying attention to my phone, but them Cherry 12s, they are getting copped, man. I promise you that. Just trust and believe. I've been wanting them Cherry 12s since I was a kid, man. They finally, you know, giving us a retro of them shoes, something I've been wanting since then. So now I get a chance to get them for my collection. They definitely finna get copped. But overall, man, once again, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, tuning in my reviews, you know what I'm saying? My review of the shoe that I really don't care for, but I still wanted to get y'all some, you know, insight and the outlook of the shoe itself, so y'all can see, you know, like a little, you know, I guess my own personal review on how I feel about these. So if I had to give these a rating, you know what I'm saying? I don't normally rate shoes and stuff like that, but I did give them a rating just because I don't really care for them, but they're not a bad shoe. These are solid 7 out of 10, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy, nothing bad. It's just, you know, it's cool to have, you know what I'm saying? But for me, I don't really care too much for them. But like I said before, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, tuning into my channel, man. Y'all getting my views up, my likes up, you know, subscribers, all this stuff constantly growing, man. We're almost at 600. You know, I should have been there, but, you know, been kind of procrastinating with the videos and also had other things to work on as well. So kind of been putting the videos in the back burner, but I'm gonna make sure I keep getting y'all content constantly coming so y'all can keep having videos to watch. Man, I got plenty of stuff coming, you know what I'm saying? Got some more sneaker events to go to. Of course, more unboxing videos to do, you know, more videos just coming all around all together. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. If you new here, man, make sure you press that subscribe button. Don't just watch and, you know, just dip, you know what I'm saying? Stay around. Got plenty more videos coming, man. Stay, you know what I'm saying? Get comfortable in this channel, man. I got more stuff for y'all to see. With all that being said, man, make sure y'all not just watching them, y'all liking, and y'all also sharing the videos as well, man. You know what I'm saying? When you share it, make sure you tell a friend, and make sure that friend tell a friend, and that friend tell another friend. With all that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.